Hello friends, today we are going to make hunter beef. This recipe is homemade, mouth-watering and very easy to make. This recipe is made with very few spices and it is very delicious. Must try this special dish this Eid. Hope you will enjoy the video. First we take a large bowl in which we take a piece of beef around 1 kg. It is boneless. Now we add spices. First black pepper powder around 1 tablespoon. Then we add ginger garlic paste around 2 to 3 tablespoon. Then we add vinegar around 1 liter so that our piece of meat can dip easily into the vinegar. We can mix a little, then add red chili powder around 1 tablespoon and leave this for 24 hours, which means a 1 complete day. Now we remove this liquid and we take the piece of meat in the cooking pot and add around 1 liter of water and allow to cook for about an hour on medium flame. The meat is slightly cooked now. We drain the water and place the meat on the aluminum foil now. We then wrap the meat with paper foil and place it onto the baking tray. Bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Then broil it for 5 to 10 minutes at low flame. Take it out from the oven. Cut the meat into slices. If you wish, you can shallow fry it to make it more crispier. You can check the pieces of meat too. They look exquisitely soft in texture. Now we dish out these slices of hunter beef. Super delicious homemade hunter beef is now ready to serve. You can put these hunter beef slices in sandwiches too and serve with hash brown. You must try this recipe, you will love it. We would love to hear your thoughts about it from you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Take care and see you in next video. Bye bye.